How to release PayPal payment on hold. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through the steps on how you can actually release if your PayPal's payment or funds are basically unavailable or if they are on hold. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, first of all, you have to understand why does this happen. So PayPal actually may place a hold or restriction on your account activity if they actually need a little more information from you about a specific transaction, your business or your account activity. And some of the reasons are basically that if you are a first-time seller, and then if you haven't sold in a while, or if multiple customers have filed for a refund, dispute or a chargeback, or if your selling patterns appears unusual or changed, or if you're selling higher risk items such as tickets, gift cards, consumer electronics and so on. The other thing is how long will PayPal hold your accounts for. So basically PayPal will hold your funds for up to 21 days. However, because there are several things you can do to expedite this timeline. So assuming there are no issues with the order, you may be able to expedite the release of temporary unavailable funds sooner than the scheduled 21 days by taking any of the actions. So basically any actions means that you must actually review the email that they sent and the alert in your account overview. So if you received any type of alerts in your account overview, you can see to continue having access to your funds, you'll need to submit the info you've requested. So just make sure to verify account or whatever else it says you to. The other is you want to make sure to prevent refunds, disputes and chargebacks. And the other is you also want to make sure to communicate and work with the customers, and when you fill in the form and then just resolve it to PayPal, they're going to give your access back to your account and your funds. So hope this video helps you as to how you can release PayPal payment on hold. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.